your ears so that your ears could show. Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Sola, and today I'll be talking to you about how to replace your BRP if it is lost or spoiled or anything else. And I'll be showing you how I attended my appointment. And yeah, so I'm going to Guildford in Surrey. It's actually about 2 hours from my place, and my appointment is at 10:30. I really hope I won't go late because I'm taking the bus. Okay, so stay with me and see you. Okay, so I'm running a bit late. This is 10:45 and my appointment was 10:30, so I'll keep you guys updated when I get back home. Okay, so guys, I'm done. I had my fingerprints taken and my picture as well, so that's all. Now I'm trying to catch the bus back home. See ya later. So guys, I just got back home. I'm so knackered. Apparently I ran late. My appointment was at 10:30 and I got there 10:45. I actually got the map a bit mixed up because I took the bus, and also the bus ran late, so it's not just my fault. So the first thing you have to do is go onto the site, the UK government site, which is www.gov.uk, and then you'll see a link about BRP replacement. You click on it and some options will come out. Number one, you have to cancel your old BRP, and if you have the BRP number, that could come in handy right now. So you would input it and also input some details about how it got lost and why you want to replace it as well. So once you do that, then you make payments of about £75.20 for the application of the BRP replacement. This will all happen on www.gov.uk page. So after this, you will have to schedule an appointment with the UK VCAS. They are like the commercial partner of UKVI. Do you understand? So you have to pay for the appointment separately as well, and that costs about £71.20 also. So once you're done with the application, you go to the page of the commercial partner. There's actually a link there after the payment. So you go to the page, you input your details, and then you input your postcode, and they would bring forth a list of their offices or their branches. So you have to just pick the one that is closest to you. Okay, and yeah, the one that is closest to you. So after you click on the one that is closest to you, then the available dates will be provided. Some could require like prime moment or something that you have to pay extra amount of money. So you just have to pick, and they don't work Saturday and Sunday, so it is just Monday to Friday. So just pick the appointment you want, the one that is available, select your time as well. And so once you're done and you've picked your time, now you're going to print out the appointment confirmation, because you're going to take this along with you. It has a barcode on it to be scanned at the appointment. So you print that out, and don't forget to also go along with your passport. So now you take your passport along and then your appointment confirmation. Also, you have the option of uploading your documents yourself, or you take them along with you to the appointment. About 5 documents could be accepted. Firstly, your driving license, or your council tax, or your utility bill, or any letter from NHS, just to serve as a proof of residence. Yes. Then if you're also depending on anyone, maybe financially, yeah, there's a form for you to fill there. I came into this country as a dependent under my husband, so I wrote his details as my financial sponsor. That was what I put in. So that was what I put in, and then in the form I filled his details and he signed, and we uploaded it. So thank you for following me on this journey. Please don't forget to like this video, it's just down there, and also don't forget to subscribe so that I can see much more of our amazing videos. We cover lifestyle, nursing as a career, family, being parents, and every other thing you can actually think of.